Join me while I make dinner by cooking up some ground beef, onions, bell peppers. Just add all of them. And then stir it up and let that cook a bit. Where the onions and peppers start to get a bit soft. This time. A little mess there. Not bad. Focus it. There we go. Onion powder. Just a nice little sprinkle. Paprika. Again, nice little sprinkle over everything. Some Italian. No, focus. Okay, good enough. Wow, this comes out so slow. Come on. Yep, probably good enough. Salt. We're doing rotini noodles. You can pretty much do whatever kind of noodles you want. So that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Once that's all nice and mixed up and it's the onions and peppers are starting to soften up, we've got all our spices. I'm going to add some diced tomatoes. You can leave this out if you want. I just have an open can of them in my fridge and would like to use some. My finger probably doesn't hurt. I'll just use the rest of the can. And then also some tomato paste. About 3 tablespoons. That's pretty good to me. Mix it up. Good, so. Yeah. Exactly. That's probably some cream cheese. Okay. And mix that up. Alright, once your noodles are done, add them into your sauce. Oil. Mix. Going to add some spinach in there. Break it up a little bit. Sometimes I find it's just looks like a lot, but once it starts to wilt, it won't be quite so much. And get that mixed in there. Look at that. Looks delicious.
So the general contractor
enjoy your dinner.
average is about $29